The information presented is for informational purposes only. The opinions expressed are not necessarily the opinions of any Daikin company. This information should not be confused for accounting, legal, medical, or other professional advice. Please seek advice from a qualified professional for any specific questions.
Welcome to the Accelerated HVAC Success program. My name is Ben Middleton. I'm the National Sales Training Manager for the Goodman, Amana, and Daikin brands. Today, we're joined with Carter Patton. He is the Product Manager for Air Conditioning here at Daikin Comfort Technologies. Carter, thank you so much for joining us.
Glad to take the time.
So the first question I ask everyone, how in the world did you get into the HVAC industry?
It was nice for me. I was coming right out of college. I was applying everywhere and trying to figure out different opportunities, different programs, and I came across a program here at Daikin that was branch management training program. So I started actually working out at COD at one of our distribution centers, learned the ways there, pulled orders, worked the desk, answered calls, and throughout that program, I eventually met some people on the current product marketing team. And during that process, reached out, applied, moved over here, and now been part of the product management team for about 2 years.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And so during that time, obviously, you've been learning more and more about the industry. You've had an opportunity to get out in the field, I'm sure, and meet with some of our customers and see how all of the product goes in. But currently, you're working on releasing a brand new air conditioning product for us, correct?
Yes, we are. We're really excited about it. We're expanding our side discharge offering this year, finishing up our R32 launch, and that transition is almost completely over. With this new side discharge product that we're launching.
Okay, so tell us more about it. I hear that it's going to be replacing our cube style inverter. So tell us about this exciting new product.
Yes, the cube style inverter was great, and we believed in the technology for a while, but we at Daikin are very well focused on our side discharge. We believe in it. We think a lot of the benefits that come with side discharge, sound, some of the size, a lot of the versatility that comes with installing those, we want to continue to invest in it. So it's the natural progression for us to make our capstone product with our Daikin Fit models and replace our cube inverters with also that capstone product. So now we're getting some high efficiency side discharge units.
Okay, so tell me, how is this different than the standard 17 SEER air conditioning product that we have out in the market today?
So to start off with just the look is somewhat similar for our 2, 3, and 4 ton. They follow the similar chassis that we have in today's side discharge. But our 5 ton will actually be a 2-fan model that's a little bit taller. But we get to share a lot of the same benefits, like with the sound and savings and stuff like that, along with getting a lot more improved cooling capacity with these new models, along with getting higher efficiencies and even some large weight reductions as well.
So tell me about the efficiencies. What kind of efficiencies are you getting out of these side discharge units?
We're getting up to 19 SEER 2 with them. So yeah, current models, we position them around 16 SEER 2. So these are getting up to 19 and capping off our offering for air conditioners.
Okay, so getting a really good SEER rating out of these units, SEER 2 rating. What are you seeing in terms of performance in the extreme temperature ranges when we start getting into that 115, 120?
Well, yep, we are seeing a lot of improvements for these new side discharge models, especially compared to our current standard 6 series, but also compared to our old cube inverters that we're replacing. We're getting a lot of improvements in those 115 temperature.
Oh, that's great. That's wonderful. What are you seeing in terms of matchups and flexibility with our air handlers, with our furnaces and the coils? Are we seeing a lot of good combinations?
Yes,
with
we
those?
are.
Okay.
Yes, we're keeping a lot of the same setup that we have for our standard communicating systems with our EEV coils and air handlers, and completing our Daikin One ecosystem with our communicating thermostats and everything as well.
Okay. So very similar installation. If they're already putting in side discharge, there's not much difference between putting this unit in compared to the standard side discharge units they're putting in today.
Correct. We have some additional. We have an additional coil that'll be matched up with our 5-ton model, the 2-fan. That will actually be our first multi-position coil at Daikin, which will be really exciting as well.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So we're continuing to expand our offering, making sure that these can be installed anywhere.
Okay, awesome. So, what other enhancements, features, or benefits can you say that we've added also to the product?
Yeah, I would start off with talking a little bit about the weight. Going from those big cube units, they've
Mm.
been getting larger and larger over the past
Mhm.
transitions. And now with moving to side discharge, I think we even got up to 150 pounds in weight reduction
Oh,
on one
wow.
of the units.
That's huge.
That's a nice weight off your back.
Yes, absolutely.
Another one of the benefits with them getting smaller actually came with refrigerant charge.
Hmm.
Not only with us choosing R32 and getting to use less refrigerant there, but actually with coil volume, I think we got up to about 50%
Oh,
refrigerant
wow.
charge
Okay.
reduction in the systems. So we had some benefits there as well. And with that R32 transition, this product again is switching from 410A to R32 as we're finishing this off, which we get a lot of the same benefits that we have with all of our other products and hitting those A2L regulations.
Well, that's awesome, Carter. I really appreciate you coming in here and you going over this brand new launch with us. Super excited. When can contractors expect to start seeing this hitting their locations?
This will start being available in April
Okay.
of 2025. We're really excited for it, and a lot of our announcements and everything will be coming out soon.
So, Carter, the last question I ask everybody is, do you have any final thoughts or words of wisdom that you want to share with our contractors or our viewers that are out there?
Yeah, I guess it's we as Daikin are continuing to innovate for our heat pumps and air conditioners, and we're really excited to continue to expand our side discharge portfolio. So I hope everyone keeps staying excited for these new models that are coming out, all the opinions, all the marketing material, brochures, everything like that. I'm excited for everyone to see it and to learn more about this new product.
Well, Carter, thank you so much. And we look forward to having you on our show again. I love to hear as you bring new products to market and we can continue to talk about those with all of our customers that are out there. For all of you that are out there, if you liked this episode, please go ahead, hit that like button. Make sure you hit the follow button so that you can be informed of all of our upcoming episodes that we have. And Carter, again, thank you so much for being here. And until next time.